Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Yusuf Faikal bin Muhammad Shiki. I am from class 4 Hambali. So today I'm going to share some story that I read. So the story the title is Pak Pandey and His Child, written by Zahanin Zainal Abidin Vedra. The publisher is Assistant Edu House Enterprise. So, I'm going to tell you the story about Pak Pandey and his child. So, one day, Mak Ande is going to buy some medicine for his child because his child is still a baby. So, I'm going to call him baby. So, the baby have a fever. The baby is not, her body temperature was high. So, Ma and Dad told, before Ma and Dad go to market to buy some medicine, Ma and Dad told Pak Pandey to boil some water to bathe him. And then, Ma and Dad go to the market. Pak Pandey, because Mak and Dad told Pak Pandey to boil some water, Pak Pandey do it. And then he boiled some water, and then bathing the baby with hot boiled water. Because of that, the baby is dead. And then Mak and Dad come back from the market and see the baby is dead. At the time, Pak Pandey still do not know that the baby is dead. So, Ma and Dad met at the Pak Pandey and scold him because who has the heart to see a baby get killed by his own father because of the stupidity such as Pak Pandey. Because of that, Pak Pandey feel very regret and he hit his head with a wall like this. And then Ma Ande wrapped the baby with a cream to bury him. So Ma Ande told the Pak Pandey to bury him at the cemetery or the graveyard. So Pak Pandey goes to the graveyard and bury him. At the time, Pak Pandey is not bury the baby, but it's cream. Pak Pandey do not know the baby is still on the ground, not into the pool. So Pak Pandey bury the cream, and the baby is still on the top of the surface. So, and then Pak Pandey looked at the baby, and what a surprise that Pak Pandey doesn't recognize his own baby. I mean, he doesn't recognize his own child. And then he told his wife that he found some similar dead body, dead baby. The face is like his child, and the nose, the eyes is similar to his child. And then Pak Pandey, and then Ma and Dad go to the graveyard and Ma and Dad go to the graveyard and see the baby. It's not still not buried. So Ma and Dad scold Pak Pandey because he's not recognize his own baby and not bury his own child. And that's all the story is. So I'm gonna read this book. So from one of them, this book is 10 because they have great value. The value is you have to think twice before you do what you have to do. So this book is very interesting cover. And that's all. Thank you.